Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Naz. So today we have come to Expo 2020. As you know, this is the world's greatest show going on right now. So they are going to display over 200 country pavilions here. So as you know, Global Village, it's like a mini version, a little mini version where we can see some of the countries, but here we are going to see more than 200 country pavilions. So we have got the monthly tickets which goes for 95 dirhams per person. So we have got the ticket and we are waiting for the bus now. This is the bus station. This is the general parking, which is a huge area. We have parked our car and we are waiting for the bus. So the bus is coming here, you can see.
Hello.
Slowly. So I'm going to take you to the entrance. This is sustainability area. You see all the pavilions it's showing here. UAE Pavilion, Dubai Amphitheater, Vision Pavilion. Look at this beautiful mesh structure here. So mostly for the convenience के Expo 2020 है, so everybody will be wanting to view this in English. So I'll be taking the vlog in English as well as Hindi. Expo logo in front, and that is the mesh structure. So as you can see, the structure is huge, this mesh kind of structure. I'm going to show you from close by. Just look at this. Material ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे timber, bamboo type का हो. And the pebbles to the downside. So we are entering inside now. The gates, mesh kind of gates which gets closed. Wow. Around the corners there are this kind of white concrete animals everywhere in the entrance. And these are the scanning counters. So whatever the luggage we are carrying, we are getting scanned. It feels just like an airport where we are scanning our luggage and everything. No, the event is huge. They have to scan and filter any of the, suspicious things. So we have done scanning of our things. Tickets will get scanned here and यहाँ पे ये लोग check करते हैं. All the procedures are done, luggage scanning and then ticket scanning, everything, and we are granted permission to the major expo. Oh my God, what a coincidence. So we have just entered and I'm seeing here Singapore Pavilion, which was my project when I was working, I was in landscape quantity surveyor. So I was working in this project. Singapore Pavilion मेरा project था जिसमें मैंने quantification ये सारा मैंने किया हुआ है. So first इसी में चलते हैं. Yahoo!